If your car broke down tomorrow or you lost your job next week, could you survive the next 3 months without touching a credit card? Most Americans can't. In fact, 56% of people in the US can't cover a $1,000 emergency. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to fix that for good. What's coming? In the next 6 minutes, I'll break down what an emergency fund actually is, how much you specifically need, where to keep it so it actually grows, and the exact step-by-step system to build it, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck right now. Let's get into it. Section 1. What is an emergency fund? An emergency fund is money set aside only for true emergencies. Job loss, medical bills, car repairs, urgent home repairs, not vacations, not a sale at Target. Real emergencies only. Think of it as your personal insurance policy against life. Without one bad month turns into months of credit card debt at 20+% interest. Section 2. How much do you need? The standard advice is 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. But here's the truth. That number depends on you. If you're single with a stable government job, 3 months might be enough. If you're a freelancer, self-employed, or the sole income in your household, aim for 6 to 9 months. Here's the math. Add up your essentials: rent, groceries, insurance, minimum debt payments, utilities, not your Netflix subscription. Multiply that by your target number of months. That's your goal number. Section 3. Where to keep it. Do not keep this in your checking account. You'll spend it. Do not put it in the stock market. It needs to be safe and liquid. The answer: a high-yield savings account. These are FDIC insured, separate from your daily spending, and currently earn you real interest instead of the basically 0% big banks give you. Keep it one click away, but not one tap away. Section 4. The step-by-step system. Here's how to actually build it, starting today. Step 1. Open a separate high-yield savings account. This week, just the account. Funding comes next. Step 2. Start with a mini goal of $500 to $1,000. That covers most small emergencies and gets momentum going fast. Step 3. Automate it. Set up an automatic transfer of even $25 or $50 per paycheck. You will not miss money you never see. Step 4. Use windfalls. Tax refund, birthday money, work bonus. 50% of every windfall goes straight to this fund. Step 5. Once you hit your mini goal, keep going until you reach your full 6-month number. Then, and only then, you shift focus to investing. If this helped, hit subscribe. I post a new video every week helping you build real financial security, not just tips that sound good. Drop a comment telling me your emergency fund goal number. I'll reply to as many as I can. And if you want the exact spreadsheet I use to calculate this, it's linked below, totally free. See you in the next one.